So gonna be installing my new Nardi steering wheel that I bought off from Toge Factory Works. Cool little sticker. Got a Works bell hub that I'm gonna be installing too. So let's just get started. So let's take this off. Basically it's two hooks on the top. Two hooks on the top, two clips on the bottom, two hooks up top. And then this is a 19, and then you just unclip these, and that's how you pretty much get it off. There's a tool to get this off easier, but I'm just gonna use an impact and see if it comes out easily. Hopefully it does. You can tell it hasn't been touched at all here, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so I like smacked it on the bottom and the top and it broke loose. So that comes off. Boom. It's off. So I'm gonna unscrew this because I believe this one right here is connected to the horn. This is what goes to the horn, and this one right here is just for like the volume and stuff, but this never really worked since I went aftermarket. It worked when I had the original stereo on, but yeah. So I'm gonna unscrew these and I'm gonna try to get this cable so I could use it for the horn. But if it doesn't work, oh well. Every 90s car I've ever owned never has a horn, so it wouldn't be a first. So I took this off the steering wheel. Somewhere right there, you can't really see it, but I guess it doesn't really matter because this is that, and this will make you be making contact right here. So yeah, there was no need to pretty much take that off because I thought that cable, the harness, wasn't connected to this one, but this connects to the horn body on the steering wheel. So yeah, so disregard that. So let's put this on. Well, let's put on these little things for the turn signals and the wipers. So I put the two pins on already. Just gotta measure it correctly, I guess, depending on the wiper. So it's pretty cool. It has two different sizes. So yeah, let's see how this. Looks like it's on. So now let's straighten up. It's kind of throwing me off how it's not kind of centered, but should be good. Never mind. I just had it to, it was sitting on top of the column thing, so now it's in flush. So should be good now. Next, the steering wheel. Let's do this. So now I got the steering wheel out here. This is a 330 millimeter one. I'll be using the hardware that it comes with. I was gonna use these Allen key ones, but they're not gonna sit flush in the little hole. So I'll just use these, and I'm gonna use the ring that it comes with. See how that looks. So here's the end result. I think it looks way better than having the stock one. It's smaller by I believe 30 millimeters. I think the stock one was like 360. It's 330, so way better. I think you can see the stocks a little bit better, kind of. I already did those. Kind of restored them. compared to how they used to look before. They look way better. They look brand new. Yeah. Here we go. So these are 8mm, just FYI, 8mm, and then I think on standard they're 5/16. I put on the cap, but kind of don't like how it looks with it, so I just might have to switch up the hardware so it can be all black. But as of now, that's how it looks. I'll let you know if the horn works. My battery's pretty dead right now, so whenever I get that fixed, I'll test that out. But I'm pretty sure I got the horn to work, but we'll see. But hopefully this helps and you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks.